Just want to show you guys the exhaust real quick. Oh guys, what's going on? You know, could you imagine why I'm at my girl's house? You'll never guess it. Wheels and tires. My girl's been waiting for these for about a couple weeks. Pretty excited to install them. But yeah, welcome back to the channel, guys. Mobile Mauie here again, back at it now with another banger. And today we do wheels and tires. Really excited how this is gonna come out, and this is probably the start to a car, another project. I guess it's more of my girlfriend's car, and I'm excited to do it. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. I'm gonna jack up the car, get this thing all jacked up, and we'll start to. I'll give you guys like a little montage for installing the wheels and stuff. But right now, I'm not gonna show you guys what we have until the finished product. Might give you a sneak peek, just a little one. So yeah, just one more quick, idea what the car looks like. Oh, let's go around the pillar. So this is it, guys. I mean, this is it. Boom. That just imagine you guys are gonna miss that look. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Oh, keep hitting this pillar here. This is the before, and I will show you guys the after. So let's get to it, y'all. All right, guys, we got it up on all four. Woo! My girlfriend's excited. I'm excited. A little shake test. Looking pretty good. Now we're about to unbox these, y'all. Stay tuned. So let me know what y'all think. My girlfriend picked these out. She really liked these a lot. All right, guys. Oh yes, I'm waiting for this all day. All right. I don't have a knife, unfortunately. My girlfriend's unprepared, so yeah. Oh, jeez. All right, let's get the key again. Oh. All right. Okay. We're getting somewhere, boys and girls. Woo! I low-key do wish I had a knife, so. And one thing, shout out to Fitment Industries. You know, my girlfriend bought them from them. This is probably the best price we got for a set of 4 wheels and tire package. And it was on sale at the time too, so yeah, not too bad for the brand and what tires we got. It's pretty good. So if you guys are interested in getting a set of 4, when it comes to wheels and tires, Fitment Industries, make sure y'all go hit them up. This isn't a sponsored video. I just wanted to shout them out since they're the ones that were able to make this happen.
One eternity later.
Ready? Boom, boys. What do y'all think? So, I think these are AV20s from the company called Ep.1. We are running it was an 18 by 8.5 in the rear and an 18 by 8 in the front. On the front, it's a plus 35 offset. On the rear, doing a plus 33. And in the front, our tire size, we ran a 245/40 R18. And in the rear, we ran I believe it was a 275/45 18. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. I'm a fan. My girlfriend's a fan. She really enjoys them a lot. So yeah, let me throw these on real quick, and I will see you guys when we're done. know you guys wanted to see this. Oh, I'm sweating like a pig right now. Woo, all right guys, car's back on all four. Let me know what y'all think. And I know it's a little hard to see, but let me know. Oh my goodness. Got all, you know, all set, the old set right here. Yeah. She's sitting pretty on all four. I mean, come on, y'all. Look at that fit, man. I know we gotta lower it a little bit, but once we lower it, things gonna be crispy. Look at that. Ooh. I'd say either lowering springs or coils. Have yet to decide. But man, look at that. Don't mind the tape, but whoo-wee. Oh yeah, it looks good. My girlfriend likes it, and that's what I like to hear. So we're probably gonna go take this out for a drive, see how it feels and stuff, and probably get some quick photos, and that's pretty much it. This is probably gonna be another series I do where we, you know, turn my car from this to what she wants to turn it to. And yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Good morning, everyone. That is what, Friday, the I think it's the 8th. Nice and early, about 7 in the morning right now. And last night when I finished this, ran into some issues and stuff. I just want to give you guys a better look. Look at that. I mean, it looks pretty good. I don't know what y'all think, but I mean, I like how they came out. And like another thing that I was pretty felt good about, or based off of what people told me to run on the forums, is that, I mean, I don't know about that fitment, but damn, it looks pretty good. And the front's pretty good too. The only issue we had when we were driving it was it was rubbing a little bit on the fender liner, so it wasn't like too bad. I mean, like, come on, y'all, look at that fitment. Whew. I know we still gotta lower the car a little bit. All right, real quick, y'all. Just like I was stating earlier, my camera's having a little bit of issues for the battery being low. But yeah, we just had some rubbing issues right here, and it was rubbing against right here on this side. Both in the front, it was rubbing against the fender liner. So we'll probably just fix that later. But other than that, it came out pretty good. Hey guys, hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more, y'all. Oh yeah, peace.